Here is another example on change of square root of formula and substitution. Here we are given s equals ut plus half at squared, and we have to find u when x equals 50, a equals 10, and t equals 2. So solution. Let's write out the formula given. S equals ut plus half at squared. Now we substitute all these values inside the equation given so as to find u. So here we have substitute s equals 50, a equals 10, and t equals 2. Then we have 50 equals ut here means u times t, and we have been given t here as 2, so that means 2 times u. So we have 2u plus 1 over 2 times a, which is 10, times t squared, which is 2 squared, since our t is 2. So from here we have 50 equals 2u plus 2 goes there 1, 2 goes there 5. So here we have 5 times 2 squared, that means 2 times 2, 4. And here we have 50 equals 2u plus 20. 5 times 4 gives us 20. And from here, we'll make only u, 2u in this case, be on this side, and take any other thing attached to it to this side. And what's attached to it is plus 20. So we bring it to this side. And we have 50, what we have at this side initially, plus 20 is coming back to this side. We have minus 20 equals what is remaining at this side, 2u. So 50 minus 20 here we have 30 equals 2u. And from here we can divide both sides by the coefficient of u. Divide both sides. By 2. So we have 30 divided by 2 equals 2u over 2. 2 goes there 1, 2 goes there 1, 2 goes there 1, 2 goes in 3, that's 1 remainder 1. So here we have 10. 2 goes in 10, 5. And there at that side we have 15 equals u, which can also be rewritten as u equals 15. And there we have our value for u as required. Thank you.